How you doing today, sir? My name's Eric. What's your name?
Justin.
Okay, Justin. What seems to be a problem today?
I have a headache and I can't move.
Okay, how long ago did this happen?
Like an hour ago.
Okay, well, she's going to go ahead and run some tests. I'm going to talk to you for a little bit. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. An hour ago, what were you doing when this happened?
Watching TV.
Okay. You sound like you have a little bit of slurred speech, and go ahead and call for additional resources to help us out a little bit, okay?
Alright.
Alright. How bad is your headache on a 0 to 10 scale?
10.
A 10? Okay. And, are you allergic to anything? Do you have any allergies?
No.
No? Okay. Are you taking any medication?
No.
No. Okay. When's the last time you ate?
Like 3 hours ago.
Okay. And do you have any past medical history, like anything out of the ordinary?
I had some heart problems a couple of years ago.
Lung sounds are normal.
Okay. Is this normal for you? Like,
No.
has this ever happened to you?
No.
No? Okay. Can I see your arms real quick? Alright. Do me a favor and close your eyes, okay? Keep your arms straight, okay? Okay, open your eyes. Repeat after me. The Calgin bill removed. Okay. Can you squeeze my hands for me? Squeeze them. Alright. Lift your feet up. Push them down.
Alright, pressure is 162 over 102. The beat was 160. Refill is at a 2. Skin's dry, warm, and his breathing's normal at a rate of 22.
Well, we're going to go ahead and get you on the ambulance and take you to the hospital, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Can you stand up for us?